Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Ecomhunt Winning Product Finder, my daily usage experience review. Ecomhunt Winning Product Finder is a service aimed at e-commerce entrepreneurs, specifically dropshippers, looking to find trending products to sell online. It promises to curate winning products daily, providing data like profit margins, supplier links, Facebook ad examples, and target audience insights. Key features appear to include product analytics, Facebook ad targeting information, and a database of potential suppliers. Their website provides further details on pricing and different subscription tiers. Ecomhunt emphasizes the time-saving aspect of their service, allowing users to bypass the lengthy product research process. They highlight the potential for higher profits by selecting pre-vetted winning products and provide resources like ad copy and targeting suggestions to streamline marketing efforts. While they don't explicitly mention no contracts or no hidden fees, their pricing page appears to be straightforward. They position themselves as a more comprehensive and user-friendly alternative to manually researching products or using less sophisticated competitor tools. Availability seems to be worldwide as it's an online service, but you can check their website for specific details. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Ecomhunt Winning Product Finder. Getting started was incredibly easy. After signing up for a 7-day trial, I was immediately taken to the dashboard, which was surprisingly intuitive. Navigating the interface was straightforward, the products are categorized neatly, and the filters allowed me to narrow down my search based on criteria like profit margin, selling price, and product category. I tested the platform by looking for products in the pet niche, and within minutes, I found several interesting items with detailed analytics and ad examples. I particularly like the product hunt feature that showcases the trending products of the day. The platform performed smoothly, I experienced no lag or loading issues. The data provided for each product seemed comprehensive, including supplier information, Facebook ad examples, and even video ad creatives. I had a quick question about the analytics dashboard and their support responded within a day via email, which was helpful. I was really impressed by how easy it was to find potential winning products and the amount of data provided. The standout feature for me was definitely the Facebook ad integration, as it saved me a significant amount of time in creating my own ads. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, which would be convenient for browsing products on the go. It also took me a little while to get used to the advanced filtering options, but after some experimentation, I was able to refine my searches effectively. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Ecomhunt. While it has its quirks, it generally met my needs for quick and efficient product research. That's my overview of Ecomhunt Winning Product Finder. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.